Hi guys! Solve natin tong problem na to on sequence. Find the sum of all consecutive odd numbers lower than 200. So basically, 1 to 200 na numbers yan. Pero dahil even number ang dulo, minus 1 lang tayo. That's 1 hanggang 199. Meaning to say, ang sequence natin, 1, 3, 5, and so on and so forth, hanggang makarating tayo ng 199. May common difference ang bawat term na 2. Pero ilang numbers kaya ang kabilang dyan? Gamitin natin si nth term rule. That's an equals a1 plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. Yan ang formula natin for nth term. An is 199, yan yung dulo. A1 is 1, the first number, n minus 1 multiplied by 2. Sa dulo ng equation na to, malalaman natin na ang value ni n, pagkatapos nating masolve lahat, ay bibigyan tayo ng 200 over 2 or 100. Palitan natin ng 100 yan. Mali. Yan. 100. Meaning to say, may 100 numbers na odd 100 na odd numbers from 1 to 199. Meaning to say, 50 pairs ng numbers yan. Bakit natin pinares? Kung i-add natin yung first number tsaka dulong number, 200. Ibig sabihin, 200, multiply natin ng 50 pares, 200 times 50, the sum will be 10,000.